Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. As you saw in the title, we are in Santa Teresa. This is a place we've wanted to come for a while since we came to Costa Rica and just haven't been able to because we're busy getting Sea Casa set up. And yeah, it's great to be here down in Santa Teresa and be able to check out the area. And just want to show you guys our Airbnb. The host Peter has kindly let us stay here. It's funny because he lives in Kelowna where we're from, and we didn't know him there. Obviously, we just met him since we've come here today. And Kemp's been awesome. When he got here, he helped us with our luggage into the house, and he's the property manager here, so you will get to know him and you will meet him when you come. As well as thanks to Jamie for setting this up. He has a development just not far from here, so if you guys are looking for property in Santa Teresa, let us know and I can get you that contact so you can look at property in his development. All right, so let's go show you the Airbnb here. If you guys want to book this place, the link is below. You can either book just this house here, which is a 3-bedroom, sleeps up to 6 people. They also have the guest house here. If you want to rent the whole thing out, it sleeps another 4 people. It's got 2 bedrooms in there. It's actually made out of a container. You know how much we love containers. They actually took a 40-foot, cut it in half, and made this 2-bedroom little rental here as well. And then in the low seasons, they're actually going to have these available to rent separately, so they can have 2 different groups staying here and just share the pool. So yeah, let's go for a walkthrough of the main house right now. So as you come in, the main house is here. There's steps up onto the deck. As you can see, the pool in the background. We'll go down there after. So nice large deck. This is cool. What you'll see in the B-roll, this all opens up. There's bar stools here. There's actually outlets at each bar stool. So if you're coming as a digital nomad, maybe a group that does content creation, you can chill here, do your work, listen to the waterfall, the birds, and maybe have someone inside making you cocktails while you work. Why not? And then they got a nice big outdoor table here, big slab of wood, as well as a couple loungers there. This all opens up as well, so you can have the sounds of the birds, everything, the air flow through. You'll see that in the B-roll as well. I'm not going to open it up right now because it does take a bit of time. So as you come in, you've got a nice big deep couch to chill at. Flat screen TV, which is a smart TV. You guys can watch our videos on there if you want. And then we'll head over to the master bedroom, which is off to the side here. Again, these doors all open up as well, which is cool, and you can walk right out to there. Another flat screen smart TV. Spot to put all your clothes and stuff like that. And then every bedroom has a king size bed, so it's a very comfortable king size bed. We laid on it already to test it out. And then you got your ensuite here, which is bigger than most main bathrooms in people's houses. It's both bathrooms actually have dual rain head showers, and then it's got the hoses on each side, so you and your partner can shower together. 2 sinks as well, which is nice. And then back into the living room here. I'm gonna walk down to show you the kitchen. So it's a nice large kitchen. It's got the island, like full-size appliances, of course, being a bigger house. It actually has a dishwasher too. Coffee maker, toaster, blender, all the pots and pans and stuff like that. One thing we did notice, there's not a microwave. Some people don't use them, but when you're eating out and you want to reheat stuff, it's nice to have a microwave. So we told Peter, so he's gonna get one of those for you guys that come and stay. So bedroom off the kitchen here, and again, king-size bed. Nice and bright with the windows open, and when they're down there, actually, it's quite dark. This is the other bathroom. Again, nice large shower, double rain head, double sprayers, single sink in this one. And then the 3rd bedroom is right here. Again, king size bed, very bright. And yeah, that's nice. It's very, very bright because they put a lot of windows, which is great for in the day. And yeah, so let's go down and check out the pool. So it's nice. It's got a view down in the valley. It's dry season right now, but if you come in like May to end of November, beginning of December, this will be a lot greener, which is nice. It's more jungly, but it's cool to see it like this. It's kind of like that desert feel like you get in like Arizona or something. And then yeah, you walk down here, nice big wide steps, and the tile is grippy, so don't worry, you won't slip. And yeah, nice sized infinity pool. So yeah, it's got different depths of the pool. So you got like a shallow for the kids to kind of splash around. got a little bit deeper if you want to be up to your chest. And then it's 8 feet here, and you can actually jump off where the waterfall is into that and not have to worry because it is 8 feet. Yeah, so we got hammock here. There's another hammock up here that you can string across to here, as well as a nice big loungy couch. And then there's a couple loungers up here as well, which you could chill at. But yeah, it's gonna be nice to hang out here for sure and enjoy the pool. All right, so now for the guest house, made out of a 40-foot shipping container, hacked up, put together, and made beautiful. So it's got a nice big deck as well, outdoor kitchen over here. So you got a decent sized fridge, gas stove, sink area, and then nice big sliding door to let light in. And again, same deep couch. So you've got one bedroom here, which is a double bed. And then you've got another king size bed in here. So this would be like the main bedroom. That'd be for like your kids or friend or whatever who's coming. Again, nice bright windows. Same style in the bathroom. You got 2 shower heads, and then the nice bench as well, which the other ones had. 1 sink. But yeah, it's a really nice layout the way they did this container. I like it. You got storage for your luggage there, and check out this view. Should also mention too, Kemp, the property manager, he will be available while you're here. If you want anything set up, whether it's shuttles, if you want any tours like zip lining, if you want ATV rentals, if you want to have groceries here before you get here, alcohol, anything like that, once you book, then Peter will get a hold of you. He'll ask you all that stuff, and then yeah, Kemp will have that all organized for you. Yeah, anything you can think of in the area that you want to do. If you want a restaurant reservation or a recommendation even. Also, halfway, if you're staying for like 7 to 10 days, halfway through they'll do like a changeover towels and stuff like that for you. But if you are wanting the place clean like every 2nd day or something, that's another option that they offer. So yeah, just let them know when you book any of that stuff that you want to do, and they just make it easy for you. All right, so that's enough of me talking, walking through. I'm gonna cut to the B-roll now and show you what this place is like in beautiful slow motion. Alright, so there you have it. Vista Loma here in Santa Teresa. Beautiful spot to come hang out for a few days, chill with your family. And the road here actually from Liberia or from Samara or anywhere north in the Guanacaste province is actually not bad. I was surprised. They've done a lot of paving. So there's one section which they're paving right now, which was blocked off when we came through. But yeah, other than that, it's like paved right to this house. And then as you go into Santa Teresa, there are apparently some gravel in there, so which isn't too bad. Hopefully they pave that as well. But yeah, the drive to here is super smooth. And yeah, 3.5 hours from Samara, so it's not too bad. If you're coming into San Jose, then you'll want to take the ferry across from Punta Arenas, which comes across close to here as well, and again, paved all the way. So, but yeah, I just want to thank Peter for having us, Kemp for checking us in, and then Jamie, of course, for setting this up. And yeah, that's it for the walkthrough here at our Airbnb. All right, so we just decided to come down and get some dinner. We haven't eaten all day, so we should probably come a little earlier, 5 o'clock. Actually, it's 5:30 now. So we came to an Italian restaurant called Pronto. It was in the book at the house we're staying at, and they said it was good. So it's at Plaza Kahuna. It's on the far end of Santa Teresa. It's Italian food. Apparently the guy was on MasterChef or Top Chef, MasterChef I think, with Gordon Ramsay, so the food should be good. So yeah, we just got a table for 4. You gotta deal with the noise in Santa Teresa, lots of building going on. But yeah, we're gonna have some Italian food tonight, and not really gonna show you a lot of it. We'll talk about it after and show you what we got, but not like a full description. Alright, so we just went into town, as you saw, and we stopped at Pronto. Like I said, the Italian restaurant, it was good. They were having a little off night, I think. Our lasagna was a little dry and wasn't hot, but yeah, I mean, portion size was good. The taste was really good, and the ideas are really good. So Lakai and I got these little rice balls. I can't remember the name. I'll put it up here so you know what they are. Yeah, I can't remember the name was of them. And then Shayna got a caprese salad. Jaden got, he didn't get an appy, so he got a pizza. I got the bolognese lasagna. Shayna got the truffle lasagna. Well, that was really good. It had a lot of truffle flavor in it. And then Lakai got a couple meatballs with sauce and bread. So yeah, overall, definitely, like I said, really good flavor. Lasagna was a little dry, but a little bit of bolognese on top, it would fix that. So maybe if this guy the owner watches this, maybe he'll add that to it. But yeah, overall, definitely go check it out if you want some Italian food that's like what grandma makes kind of thing. So yeah, we're just back here at the Airbnb, and we got the waterfall going and the pool lights on. We're not going to jump in tonight. We're so tired and beat from the drive, and it was so windy in the shuttle bus, and yeah, it wore us out. And I've been up since 3 as well, or awake since 3. So yeah, don't forget the link for this Airbnb is below. If you're coming as a group, or you want to have a honeymoon getaway and want the whole place to yourself, click the link below, book it. You're not going to be upset when you get here. It's such a special place. I mean, look at this. Why wouldn't you want to come here? But yeah, if you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao.